What you are seeing here is the X-ray of the 13 Atlas, an unprecedented feat in astronomy. I will explain why this feat is unprecedented. Let's move on to the context. This image was posted on the Medium blog, right, by James Loeb. Here it is, his post over on Medium. He details here the entire discovery that was made, this X-ray detection that was made by a Japanese satellite, and it says a lot about this interstellar object. So here's the X-ray image, right? And what is it telling us? Well, this greener area here, it is the area of greatest activity of the 13 Atlas, where the particles of the 13 Atlas are colliding, interacting with the solar wind and generating this X-ray that was detected by this Japanese satellite. This area has 400,000 kilometers in diameter. So, it's a large cloud of particles that is there around the nucleus of 13 Atlas. These particles are interacting with the solar wind, with the charged particles that the sun is emitting into space, the solar wind. Here this arrow shows the direction that 13 Atlas is going, right? And here's where the sun is located. So it's moving away from the sun. So here we have a cloud of debris, of particles from the 13 Atlas, which is about 400,000 kilometers. And other data that were revealed in this detection here, shows its chemical composition. We have here carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and in Avi Loeb's text, he says, that all these spectral detections are consistent with a natural object, right? He says that both the interaction, with the solar wind, the chemical composition of the 13 Atlas is consistent with a natural object. He admits that in his text that I will leave here in the pinned comment. So this X-ray detection of 13 Atlas provides further evidence that it is a natural object, a comet, right? It's here in Avi Loeb's own words. He speaks here of the possible natural origin of these detections, of this evidence. I'll leave it here for you all to read yourselves, I'll leave it pinned here because it's important for those who talk about science to make the sources accessible to those who are consuming the content. So there you have it. X-ray, an unprecedented detection of the 13 Atlas, and further evidence that it is natural.